All right, more updates on the damn it. Updates on the belt grinder build. As you can see, I've got the 2 channels done. It's a little heavy, so it's going to drag, but it moves pretty easily actually. And I've welded up the hinges here, and it works. And yep, I got everything right. Getting worried there. It fought me quite a ways, but I got it done, and that's as you can see, it works. Things tilt full 90 degrees. So next step is to get some of the stuff ready for putting on the wheels. Oh, the platen attachment too. All right, signing off.